And then today, we were creating a lot of chance. The second half, I think the difference when compared to the first half is that we put away our chances. And I think that made a difference.
Captain Fabian really came up jumps and got you ahead. Speak to us about his importance at a time in the season when you obviously needed to get this.
I don't want to pinpoint Fabian. I think Fabian, Kelson, and Jaim came in the same time, and those three are three important parts of our plan and our team. And I mean, we just have to give them time to first of all get their fitness going and also get to the pace of the game. Today was very important for us, and Fabian, as I said, came up trumped. He's a goal scorer, and he proved that today.
You spoke about Kelson. He last match and today the outstanding player. Speak to us about how important you think he will be this season for the team.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, his quality and his experience and his quality out wide is very important in our game plan, and he's proving that we can count on him each game.
And are you satisfied with what you're getting from your defense line now?
Not at all. I think we gave up 2 goals today. The first one was a beauty, but the second one was rather poor. And we have to find a way of closing out games and keeping clean sheet. And we are working on it, and it's an area that we'll continue working on.
Compare how you felt with the last match with today in terms of what you got from your team.
We are seeing a more complete performance now. As I said, those pieces that came in late, they are running into fitness, and you'll see a better Arnett team going forward the longer the season goes.